There comes a time in a man's life when he looks in the mirror and doesn't recognize himself. A face built on the opinions of others, a life shaped by fear of rejection, a soul buried under the weight of false smiles and constant pretending. That's not life, that's slavery. To care too much about what others think is to hand your life away piece by piece, like a merchant giving away his gold to keep beggars entertained. But a man must not live to be liked, he must live to be true. If you want to become masculine, if you want to become stoic, you must start here. The chains won't break themselves, but I will show you how to forge the blade. 1. Realize that no one is thinking about you as much as you think. You lie awake, haunted by what they might say. But here's the bitter truth. They're not thinking about you. They're busy wrestling with their own insecurities, too distracted to care about yours. You are not the center of their world. So why have you made them the ruler of yours? You are like a prisoner, sitting in an open cell, holding the keys in your hands, waiting for someone else to let you out. Let go of the delusion. Walk out. Imagine a lion in chains, pacing, paranoid of every whisper. Then imagine that lion snapping the chains and roaring so loud the earth itself remembers his name. That lion is who you're meant to be. 2. Build yourself into a man you admire, not a man they approve. When you stare into the mirror, can you honestly say you respect the man you see? If the answer is no, then the answer is here. Stop shaping yourself to fit their tastes. Build a life you're proud of. Build a body that speaks strength, a mind that commands respect, a purpose that makes you wake up on fire. They won't understand. Good. You weren't made to be understood. You were made to stand tall while others bow for applause. You were made to build while others post about progress. You are the stone in a world of sand, solid, heavy, unmoved. 3. Let rejection burn the lies out of you. Rejection hurts, but it only burns away the part of you that was fake. Every time someone disapproves of you, they're not rejecting your soul. They're rejecting the mask you wore for them, and that is a gift. You will walk alone sometimes. You will feel abandoned. But remember, the eagle flies highest when it flies alone. Weak men cling to crowds. Strong men walk through fire. Let rejection teach you to stand without support, to breathe without praise, to live without needing hands to hold you up. Every no you survive is a scar that becomes armor. Like this video and subscribe to my channel, Wired Stoic on YouTube, and follow me on TikTok to be always reminded of becoming more stoic, masculine, and successful every day. Activate the bell to never miss the discipline you need. 4. Train your mind to be a fortress. No one can enter without permission. This world will try to break into your mind through ridicule, through shame, through sweet lies and social pressure. But a stoic man guards his mind like a king guards his throne. He doesn't let every opinion walk in and sit down. Meditation, solitude, discipline. These are your sentries at the gate. Imagine your mind as a temple built on a mountain. The wind howls, the crowds shout from below, but inside, it is still. The fire crackles, the walls hold, and you, the man within, is unmoved. He does not break, he does not bend, he is truth. Stop chasing their approval. Stop begging for permission to be yourself. This life is short, this soul is yours. And the world will only ever respect the man who stops asking for it. You were not made to be soft. You were not made to blend in. You were made to stand like stone in a storm. You were made to carry the weight of truth, even if it makes you bleed. And you were made to become the kind of man that boys look up to and enemies cannot shake. They may talk, let them, but you, build your empire in silence and let the world watch in awe when it's done.